Hello and welcome to Jimi Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to completely customize the taskbar on Windows 11. I will show you step by step how to do it. So let's get started. We are going to start with the basic, how to pin and unpin application from the taskbar. If we go to the search button and click and type an application name, for example media player, okay, and if you want to pin this application to the taskbar, we right click on the application name and click pin to taskbar. Okay, here it is. And if we want to remove the application from the taskbar, we go to the application icon, right click over the application and click the unpin from the taskbar. Now I will show you something that some people call it the secret menu. If we go to the Windows button, right click and we will see the menu. Here we can access application and features, power option, device management, and many things. Also we can shut down or restart the computer, we can access task manager, and so on. So this menu is always here. Another thing that I want to show you is the four next taskbar icons. The search icon, the multi-desktop icon, the widgets, and the chat. How do we remove this? If we try by right click, there is no option to unpin the application. So I will show you how to do this. Right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. On the right we have the taskbar items. Here we can turn on and turn off the icons. Let's try it. I'm going to turn off the search. Okay, just disappear. The task viewer, the widgets, the chat. Also we can activate it. If we scroll down, we see the taskbar corner icons. We see the icons there. Okay, we can turn on and turn off them also. Also we have the taskbar corner overflow. We can remove or we can activate them. The next thing that I want to show you is how to move all the taskbar icons on the left. To do this, we have to right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. We scroll down to taskbar behaviors. Now we go to taskbar alignment and click the left. As you can see, all the icons are on the left side of the taskbar. We can change it back to the center. We also have an option to automatically hide the taskbar. So if we activate this, the taskbar is automatically hidden. And if we go with the mouse over, it gets appear. So Also, we can remove the show budget unread message corner on the taskbar application. So if we have 2 emails or so icon here, we can uncheck this and it's gone. And now, what about resizing the icons on the taskbar? How to change the size of the icons? To do this, we have to go to search and open the registry editor. You have to click yes. So here we have to go to the location. I will include the path on the description of the video, so for a quick going. And here we right click, new, dword, and name this taskbar CI. Double click and we have to set the value. The default value of the current size of the icons is 1. So if we want to make the icons bigger, we can try the value 2 and click OK. But nothing's didn't change because we need to restart the Explorer. To restart the Explorer, we have to go to the Task Manager. We go to Task Manager and we find the Purchase Windows Explorer. Right click. You go to Restart. As you can see, the icons are bigger. So to change the size to the default, we have to go to the registry, double click and set the value data 1. Okay, we have to restart the Windows Explorer once again. We go to Task Manager, find Windows Explorer Purchase. Here, restart. Okay. Now we are on the default size. That's all about today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more video tips. Thank you very much and see you on my next videos.